listen when they were in the classroom. And then they started saying ideas, and we took notes. For example, they said that they were able to hear children screaming in the playground.
So we tried to make an activity a very competitive activity. They can apply this activity to the real world. And we thought that as we have a lot of sounds in a classroom, it's normally very noisy in a classroom, and the sounds are coming from outside, from the corridor, from the playground, from many places, from everywhere. First we thought that the good idea was collecting the sounds we hear when we are in a classroom, and from these sounds we should, as you will see, screen them in order, if they are pleasant sounds or unpleasant sounds. Yes? And after that, from the unpleasant sounds, we will choose the noisiest or the disgusting. Yes, so you're going to watch. Okay.
That was the first step. Which sounds can we hear in the classroom? And then we wrote this list, and the children were saying what kind of sounds they were able to hear. And we can see children screaming in the playground, or people playing football in the football field, which is next to our school. Sound coming from the traffic, such an ambulance, the school bell, the sound from the intercom, etc. And then they started deciding if that sound was pleasant or unpleasant. And here we started also the first definition of sound or noise. Effectively dragging chairs and tables was the most annoying activity or the noisiest sound